What will happen in 2020? For 2020, according to JP Morgan, Apple has planned an increase in the number of new smartphones, if from 2017 to 2019. Inclusive, she demonstrated 3 new devices each, then in 2020 there will be 4 of them, 2 of which will be indistinguishable from each other in their dimensions. They are both assigned 6.1-inch screens diagonally, but only the first smartphone will be the usual iPhone SE2, tentative name, while the second, iPhone 12 Pro. Apple smartphones in the future will be significantly more. The other 2 phones are the 5.4-inch iPhone SE2 for connoisseurs of compact devices and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max for those who need a bigger screen. It is noteworthy that the entire quartet of Apple smartphones will come with OLED screens. In 2020, Apple may completely abandon the use of IPS matrices. However, only 2 out of 4 smartphones, according to JP Morgan analyst Samik Chatterjee, will receive support for 5th-generation cellular networks, mmWave 5G. Probably, we are talking about 2 older models, Pro and Pro Max. It should be noted that, unlike all modern Apple smartphones, the new iPhone SE2 and subsequent models will receive proprietary cellular modems developed by Apple itself. In July 2019, she bought an Intel modem unit in order not to depend on third-party suppliers, not to pay royalties to them and not to risk becoming a party to a patent dispute, as was the case with Qualcomm. All the terms of the deal to redeem this part of Apple's business were fulfilled in early December 2019. Intel noted that this step would entail multi-billion losses.